humans. Sorry about the lumens. What am I doing? In a previous video, which you've probably seen by now, maybe, who knows. I smoked I killed this. What do I want from it? I'm keeping the handle, and I'm keeping the cord in case I accidentally blow the cord out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking it apart. I am destroying a Makita grinder. I think I used 4 times. It's out of warranty. I don't really care. I'm not going to go through the whole like blah 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 warranty process and try to get it warranted for keep that. And I'm just gonna. I don't know why. It's like I go all day without coughing, and all of a sudden I make a video and I'm like coughing like a maniac. So yeah, I'm basically taking this apart. I want the cord, and who knows? Maybe I should keep the gears or something. As long as the motor is good, I guess. There we go. Oh, look at that. I guess that's the fried cheese part right here. Burnt to oblivion. That is toast. Toasted. Maybe I'll pull the bearing out for the fun of it. Now. How now, brown cow? How do we get this apart? How does one... Oh, look. There's that. There's a hole in there. So I'm going to attempt to take this. I'm pretty sure I bought a freaking Milwaukee electric gizmo to do this. Bought one of these to take screws out. Guess what? I don't have the right screw for it. Yeah, okay. Note to self. Here we go. We have drill bits. I bought this thing so I can use it for moments like this. And what do I forget to do? I forget to use it all the time. I actually bought this in my house because I'm always screwing stuff around. Screwing around. Why did I buy this? Because sometimes the things are a little easier. Oh, that's a big screw. Now, what else is going to fall off here? Hopefully the end comes off. Uh-oh, drop that. Come on. What the hell's holding this together? There's always something. How the hell's it coming apart? Do I have to break something? Jeez Louise, man. What do I got to break to get this on? There's bushings in there. I don't know. Does this come out? Don't know. This is stupid. Where's my fancy light here? There's my fancy schmancy light. Let's look inside it. Other screws in there. Holy shit, that thing is fried. Fried like a chicken. Maybe this comes out. Nope. Maybe this comes out. Oh, there it is. This part's coming out. Pair of pliers would be good. I had mini vice grips here. I'll try to... I don't want to come out now. There's wires attached to it. Question is how does this come out? How do we get this off of here? This is the question. I think I need a flat screwdriver. I think I gotta start busting shit. So I need. Hold on. Maybe I should watch another YouTube channel. Forgot to get this apart. Oh look, I might be onto something here. I might be onto something. Oh fancy, look at that. The plastic is in there. We got that off now. Now does this come off? Oh no. Lucky. Oh. I missed that one. Look at that. It's a piece de resistance. Something's got to come out now. There's a screw there. There's no screw over there. Just come out. Okay. Not really. What the hell is that screw right then? Wire cutter or something. Oh, that's bright. That's bright. Is it off? No, it's not. How in the dysfunctional world do I get this off of here? I don't want to cut the thing. I want this out of here. It won't come out. Huh. There we go. Weird. This is weird. Come on. It slides. How the hell does this thing come out of here? Like, what the hell? That is open there. Like, how does this button come up? It's gotta be something. Pry this open maybe. Oh, something came off here. Piece of rubber. Mr. Rubber. Come on. Okay. Rubber piece came off. That switches. I don't know. How in the hell does this come apart? What in the frick? Did I break it? Let's try breaking it. Let's try breaking the goddamn thing. When in doubt, break it out. Do I have to get a grinder to get this thing apart? I think you have to use a grinder to get this freaking thing apart. What the hell, man? Like, for real. It should just come apart. Should just come apart. Shouldn't it? Maybe. Anybody know anything? This is the part where I get stabbed in the arm by my own screwdriver. Oh, look. Houston, we have ripped this off somehow. What about this tab? It's always when you break something, you find out later that, oh yeah, you just have to pull this off. X, Y, and Z off. But this doesn't look like it's going to cooperate. It worked. Let's see this one. Maybe we should use pliers. You know why it's not working? I'm using no-name vice grips. That's why. Probably. Not really. Ah. Come on. Jeez Louise. Let's try a bigger set. Frick. What the hell's with this thing? There's no... Is this supposed to just... I'm guessing this was not meant to be fixed. Ever. This must come off somehow. Must. Maybe if I go like this. Da 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 da. Nope. What the frick is going on here? I don't think this was meant to come off. I don't think so. Come on. Son of a bullet. I think I found the part where it's glued in. A metal tab right there. Of some kind. Holding it in, I think. Let's bust the boom here. Buster Moon. Everybody know who Buster Moon is? Everybody must all watch the movie Sing. I'm the only person that watched that movie. Probably not. I know some of you got kids. Fudder mucker. What is this like? Just... Oh, look. Maybe it does just slide off. Maybe it does. Who knows? Maybe it doesn't. Clearly the plug was probably put on. This is weird. It's like it slides off. Like it was meant to slide off. Like, never again. But, you know, this thing is jacked in there. How the hell was that put in there? Was this thing like injected and molded in place or what? Probably. One day in about 300 years, somebody's going to need a part for their vintage Makita drill that stopped working. Wow, look at that. shit. Whee! There we go. Ta-da! Really? Look at this. This is cool. Where is that damn thing? How the hell do you get this fucking thing in there? The rubber booty. Look at the ends of the wires. How crazy it is. Like, how friggin' cheap they went putting it in there. This goes in here. This is the little devilish little switch. On off, on off. I'm guessing this should slip out now. You can see where it kind of burnt in there. Burnsies. Yepper. It's burnt. What do you call these? Brushless? I don't think this one was brushless. This one was junk. Junky junk, junky junky junk. Junkity junky junk. I'm sure there's an easier way to get this apart. I'm sure there is. But you know what? It's dead. Hey, look, I'm rich. I got copper. Actually, I wouldn't mind building one of those. I watched, what is it? The other guy's channel, Big Stack. He has a little crucible and thingamabobber. The guy does some cool stuff. I want it. Oh, look at that. It was all melted inside, right? Inside here. I don't know if you can see it, but melty, melty. She got smelty. There we go. What kind of brush was this? Well, folks, she was toast. What about this part now? What is this? This part is Friedzilla. Friedzilla. Da, 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 da. Product review. If you get your new Makita, don't do this and try to review it. I know, what's his name there? AVE? AVE. He takes shit apart. At least he puts it back together. I don't take shit. I don't put it back together. Oh, look at that. There's a handy dandy little slot there. Can I just pop this off? I think I'm missing something here. Alright, humans. What am I doing wrong here? Obviously I'm doing something wrong because this ain't coming off. Will this thing come out? Come out. Oh, there we go. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cool. Got some gears in there. Oh, they lubed the shit out of this thing. That's for sure. It's been well lubricated. Out of there. So God, it wheezed the juice all over it. Grind your juice. Look at that. Looks like somebody threw up Gatorade in there. So yeah, I don't know all the specifics about this, but I know there's a bearing here. There's a, what the hell that is in there? That's a little button. That I'm assuming comes out like that. And it's crazy though, you think. You get these tools, they're made semi-cheap and you just chuck them. Just throw them away. Gonzo. I mean, look at all this. There's a lot of work going on in this thing. I mean, it's not don't ask me how the hell this all works together, but you know what? I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Let's see. There we go. Whee! I could chop it off and make some kind of angle gizmo out of it. You know, we got time for that. Let me put the screws back in here just so I can see, because I can always, look at that. It's kind of funky. Kind of funky. Put the screws back in here. Yep. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Oh shit, I think that too much. Is this thing on right? I don't think it's on right. I don't think I put it back right. Oh no. I don't know if they're going to take it back at the store now. Yeah, right. I'll take it back at the store. Sure. I don't think they'll take it back anywhere. Looking like this. 1, 2. Throw this in my scrap pile just like this. I think I'll take another day and I'll spend messing around with this. Another day, another whatever. Anyway, I got the cord out. I honestly don't know. Honestly, don't know what happened to the screw I just chucked on the floor. Where is it? Where's this screw? So yeah, that's what it is. Sorry about the noise. That's my vintage chair I bought off somebody. Because if you're gonna have old tools, you might as well have a chair. So anyway, all this is all trash. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this because I have 2 more grinders like that. I'm not keeping this. All the rest of this shit's going in the garbage. I gotta get the goo off this before I chuck anything. Maybe if I'm low on grease one of these days, I'll take the grease out of here. Do something else. I'll throw all this shit in the garbage now. Garbage, garbage, garbage. So anyway, thanks for watching. The only thing I wanted was the cord. Because at least if I accidentally lop the cord off, I have an extra one. That's the only thing I really want. The rest I'm just going to play with and probably do a little copper mining. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.